When it comes to air frying, having the right accessories can make all the difference in the cooking experience. One essential accessory that every air fryer owner should consider is a high-quality liner. These liners not only help to prevent food from sticking to the basket, but also make cleaning up a breeze. Keep your air fryer spotless with Ailun's disposable paper liners. Made from food-grade natural wood pulp and coated in food-safe silicone, these liners are waterproof and oil-resistant. Designed to fit 5 to 8 quart air fryers, they effectively catch food debris and residue to prevent mess. Simply place a liner in the basket before air frying for effortless cleanup after cooking. The perforated design allows proper air circulation for even crisping. No more scrubbing baked on grease. These disposable liners make air fryer maintenance a breeze while protecting your cookware. Cut down on your cleaning time while still enjoying your favorite air-fried foods. Elevate your air frying experience with the XIILSIE Air Fryer Silicone Pot. This reusable liner is a game changer, saving you tedious cleaning time while enhancing cooking performance. The high-quality food-grade silicone promotes even heat distribution for perfectly cooked results every time. Though minor fit issues and crease cleaning can pose challenges, the pot's overall utility is outstanding. Its practical design contains messes and prevents stuck-on food residue in your air fryer basket. Say goodbye to harsh scrubbing after cooking. While no product is perfect, the XIILSIE pot's ability to cut down on cleanup makes it a must-have for air fry enthusiasts. Enjoy hassle-free cooking and easy removal of this durable, reusable silicone pot. This silicone liner is designed with raised ridges along the bottom that promote vital air circulation for crispy, evenly cooked results. The extra thick, durable silicone can handle heavy loads like chicken without buckling or blocking airflow. Cleaning is also a breeze. Simply turn the liner inside out and scrub with soap and water, or pop it in the dishwasher. No more struggling to scrape off baked-on grease and food debris from your air fryer basket. At 7.68 inches, the generously sized liner fits 3 to 5 quart air fryers, whether round or square-shaped. Air fry mess-free and protect your cookware with this intelligently designed, reusable silicone liner. Durable, dishwasher safe and air circulation optimized for maximum crispiness. Never be without a clean air fryer liner again with this 2-pack of large silicone liners from Outxe. Designed to fit air fryers from 6 to 9 quarts, but versatile enough for even bigger models. The cupcake wrapper shape promotes maximum air circulation for crispy, evenly cooked food. Convenient built-in handles allow easy removal from the basket once cooled. These multi-use liners are oven, microwave, and fridge safe, so you can bake, reheat, and store food all in one liner. The extra-large 9.5-inch size gives you plenty of cooking space. And with 2 liners included, you can swap out a clean one while the other goes in the dishwasher for effortless cleaning. Ditch the sticky, baked-on mess with these reusable, food-safe silicone liners. Air fry, bake, or reheat with ease, then cleanup is as simple as popping the liner in the dishwasher. Simplify air frying with the Lotteli Kitchen reusable silicone liners. This $10 3-pack includes BPA-free, perforated silicone liners that promote airflow and even cooking. 5 sizes accommodate round, square and rectangular air fryer baskets. The liners allow oil drainage to prevent debris buildup on the crisper plate's narrow openings, making cleanup a breeze. However, oils may accumulate in the basket, requiring regular cleaning. Each pack also includes a handy refrigerator magnet with air fryer cooking times. Durable, reusable and easy to use, these liners are a must-have for effortless, mess-free air frying.